This works in Australia, the United States, the United Kingdom, Denmark, Germany, Canada, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Netherlands, New Zealand, Russia, and so on. So it's safe to say this is worldwide. You can get paid again and again and again via PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. And if all of that wasn't enough, I did the hardest part of the work for you guys so that you don't have to. All you need to do is just follow each and every step in this tutorial so you can set this up in no more than 10 minutes. And from there, you can just enjoy the profits. Just before we start with this tutorial, guys, as always, make sure you tap the like button down below if you're enjoying my content and want to see more. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications for more Make Money online videos that are to come. And with that, let's now get into it. Okay, so let's get started with step number 1. The very first step you guys will need to take is go over to youtube.com. And before you think about it, guys, let's make this clear. You will not be uploading, filming, or creating any sorts of video on YouTube. In fact, you don't even need a YouTube channel for this, so do keep that in mind. Anyhow, what you will need to do on YouTube is search for videos in one particular niche, the travel niche. So you can type in stuff like travel tips, travel advice, travel tricks, and so on. For as long as it's related to travel, it doesn't make too big of a deal what you search for. And you will see why we are searching for this in particular soon enough. The next step you will need to take, guys, is to simply open up one of the videos that popped up. Here's a video I'll be using as an example in this tutorial. It's from a channel called Brightside, and the video itself is called 44 Tricks to Travel Smoothly When Borders Are Open. Now, once you guys open up a video of your own choosing, it doesn't have to be this particular one, by the way, you will want to copy its link. As such, you want to click on Share Here and then on Copy. Now that you've copied your link, guys, it's time for me to show you what I've exactly done for you to make this much easier. As you can see, I'm now over at Google Docs, and you can see this article about traveling tips. I have personally written this article myself, and I'll leave the link to it in the description box below so you don't have to bother writing anything and investing too much time into this. Now, with that said, it may sound confusing a bit as to how this article exactly is going to get us paid alongside that YouTube video, which is why it's so important that you stay tuned and keep watching, because it will all make sense soon enough. The next step you guys will need to take is to head over to the next platform we will be using in this tutorial. And this site is the same that you've seen in that intro prior. This is the platform that will be paying us, and it's called oak.io. And what this platform is a paid link shortening service. It works in much the same fashion as Bitly, for example. You paste a link in this box and you shorten it. The difference, however, is that you can get paid whenever someone clicks on that link, unlike on Bitly and other similar sites to it. The reason that you're getting paid per click is because the person who clicks on the link will not be taken to the destination page right away, as would normally be the case. They would first be taken to an external website where they will see a bunch of ads, and only then will they be able to proceed to the destination site. The ad revenue is then split between oak.io here and the person who shortened the link, which in this case will be you guys. Before we move on with this platform, let me go over a few features. First off, as you can see, it offers many payment options, including but not limited to PayPal, which is arguably the most popular option for you guys. But in case you don't like PayPal, or it's simply not available in your country, which is the case more often than not, you can get paid via Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, and even Bitcoin for those of you who love cryptocurrency and prefer it to cash. Last but not least, you can also get paid via bank transfers, as you can see. Point being here, guys, that you can get paid from this platform via many different options it offers. The next thing I want to show you guys is that this indeed works worldwide, just like I promised you in that intro. All of these countries are accepted, as you can see. And if I scroll down to the bottom, you will see it says Worldwide Deal. all countries. So long story short, guys, this platform will get you paid no matter where you are from or what payment option you prefer, since they do offer quite a few of them. With all of that said and done, let's get to what you now need to do on this site, and that is to sign up. To do so, just come over to oak.io and click on Sign Up button right here. On the next page, just enter in your username, email, and password. Click on I'm not a robot and then on Submit below to finally create your new account. When you log into your new account on this site, this is how everything will look. As you can see, you have a bunch of info on the dashboard here. You can see how many views you have gotten, how much money you've made in total, how much money you've made referring people, and finally the average CPM. When you guys log in, you will now want to paste the link of your YouTube video you copied back in the beginning in this box here, and then click on Shorten. Whenever someone clicks on this link, they will make you money, but more importantly, they will actually get value from the video. They will be able to learn some stuff about traveling, so not only do you make money, but you also help people out, so it's a win-win for everyone. Anyhow, what you will now need to do when you grab this shortened URL is you want to go back to the article I've shown you prior, and you will now want to write in either at the top, middle, or end of the article something like best travel tips, and you will leave the shortened link right next to that. And whenever someone opens up this article, they will be able to check out some of the tips for traveling, but also click on your link as well, making you money in the process. The next thing that you guys will now need to do is download this article to your PC. To do so, you want to click on File here, hover your mouse over Download, and you now want to click on PDF Document, and this will now download to my PC. The last platform you guys will now want to go over to is the one that will actually get you traffic to your article, since, after all, that is what you need in order to get paid. And this platform will allow you to set this up on complete autopilot so that you can make money while you sleep. The platform in question is called slideshare.net. What this platform actually is a place where you can find various articles, and more importantly for us, anyone from anywhere in the world can share their article, meaning that you don't need to be some writing expert to do so. Moreover, as you can see on this site here, SlideShare is being visited by just over 90 million people worldwide. This means, guys, that if you were to share your article on here, you would get thousands of views at the very least, and at most, you can expect millions, like some of these articles you see on the homepage. Furthermore, once you upload your article, your work would be done from there. You would get views on it day after day and clicks on your link as well, making you money passively. To upload the article, you first need to sign up. To do that, you want to click on Sign Up right here. Once you log in, just click on the Upload button here to upload the article from your PC onto this website. Enter in some bits of info like the name of the article, description, and tags, and finally click on Publish below, and that's it! You can now enjoy your profits. For those of you who want to make even more money, then be sure to check out one of the 2 videos visible on the screen right now. And with that said, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, then be sure to leave a thumbs up below. I really appreciate it. And so you don't miss out on future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.